E tautala ma le avatele tawai. Tula i fui ma le whaatulou. Le malu ma le paia wa fia potpoto i tono le nei maota. Tu atu le lima o le whaatalofa. Whaafeilo i atu le nei a fia fi. Whaafitai a fia mai. Tala mai au. Samina o le lua salau lima sifulu tausanga o le malingoa i lalangi atoa. Whaapea fui Amerika Samoa. Nei fui a fia fi. Tau pa ia sa ma whaingata, ia o le ale o iai si whamatalanga al nei tāta. Sa mua rei ai vivia. Le hafo iso mai a, ia si o ta lima lava e pa ia ai si o ta mata. Tauna o whaapea, te whaapoi atu ma o whaatulou. Tulou lava. O Samoa, e ta whaole tama, a wai loa lona ainga. O le tangata malona tupuanga, o le tangata fui malona whaasinamanga. O tau pa ia sa ma whaingata, ia o le anu atu i upolu, whale upolu tau whinga, o lato matua tausi lea. A tauna o whapea atu matua atu le lima o le whaatalo whaile nei a whiwhi, whaafitai a whio mai. Tātou sami whaatasi lua salau lima sifulu tau sanga, on Malinkoi Tonu, America Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and welcome for the celebration of the 250th birthday of the United States Marine Corps, worldwide and here in our U.S. territory of American Samoa. It is a pleasure to have you all here. There is a portion of our program where we will recognize the head table and our guest of honor for this evening. Whaaftaitele la fio mai, peo leanga nua Samoa e mua I le atua. Whaapena fo leanga nua Marine Corps e mua I le atua. Au mai le mana vola, yaso uma e tātou te mana vai. Lea e talo ai ma le tele tau wai, le sunga al whaife au, ia ngā tai pātou tai ia I tātou se talo, a matali ai le tātou mātanga I le nea fiafi.
Good evening. Ia o tau vi atu I le li. A wae whaulava lo nalofu. Le aso le nei na whai e le li. Tātou te oli ma fia iai. Let us pray. Our Heavenly Father, we call upon your Holy Spirit and your holy presence. Anoint us with your Holy Spirit. Be with us. Bless us and guide us as we gather today with grateful hearts to celebrate the 250th birthday of the United States Marine Corps in American Samoa, with honored guests, families, and friends. Thank you for the privilege of serving and the opportunity to fellowship with our fellow Marines, active and retired, and their honored guests, dignitaries, families, and friends this day. Thank you, Father, for those who put this event together and made this day possible, allowing us to celebrate this most important day for the United States Marine Corps. Thank you for blessing us with the spirit of once a Marine, always a Marine. No matter where we go or live, we are proud to be Marines. Thank you for the strength and wisdom you have granted us to uphold the values of the Marine Corps, of honor, courage, and commitment. We thank you for the privilege of serving our nation and for the bonds that unite us as Marines. We pause to remember and honor the sacrifices of those who have gone before us and the service of all Marines, past and present. Lord, grant strength to the families who supported them and protected them over the years, wherever they served. Continue to instill in us the spirit of honor, courage, and commitment, serving our communities, our families, our churches, our villages, and especially our government in the United States and American Samoa. guide our actions, sharpen our minds, and give us the resilience to overcome adversity. Help us uphold the traditions and principles that define us. Guide our hearts, strengthen our spirit, and bless this celebration as we honor our Court's legacy of honor, courage, and commitment. Continue to protect our families here at home and abroad, and may we always be faithful to our country and our Court. Bless this gathering. Bless our honored guests. Bless our dignitaries. Bless our families and friends. And may the spirit of camaraderie and unity be with us throughout this evening. And may your name be glorified in all we do. Not to us, O Lord, not to us, but to your name give glory. For the sake of your steadfast love and your faithfulness, o amato te talo ia le atuai. Whātasiai ma te talo lilo le tangata lava ia o amato tui nātu uma i o luma, I le whātua tua. O mea wa le taea alofa ma fuai mai e tosa ma lau lava fina ngalo alofa. I lo suafa ma malu Yesu Keriso lo mātou o li whaola. Wa mātou te talo maole atuai. And everybody say, Amen.
Mole atu le whaftaitele, lau sunga al whewhau, mo tāl sanga molia amatali ail tātou proklama el nea whiawhi. Ladies and gentlemen, we begin the 250th anniversary celebration, the United States Marine Corps, with a message from the Commandant of the Marine Corps. November 10, 2025. A message from the Commandant of the Marine Corps. 250 years ago, before our nation declared its independence, a small group of men gathered in Philadelphia and formed a Corps of Marines. From that moment, our story has been bound to the story of America itself. A quarter of a millennium later, Marines remain at the center of our nation's defense, ready to fight, ready to win, and ready to uphold the trust placed in us since 1775. Across centuries, Marines have fought on distant shores and in desperate battles, earning a reputation for discipline, toughness, and valor. From the Revolution to the World Wars, from Chapultepec to today's operation, across the globe, every generation has proven worthy of the title Marine. They secured liberty, defended allies, and carried forward the promise of a free nation, a free world. We are the heirs of that legacy, and we are its stewards. This anniversary reminds us that our standards are the foundation of our Corps. Honor, courage, and commitment are not abstractions, but the code that binds us to one another and to all who went before us. Every Marine in every clime and place must hold true to these values. The conflicts ahead will demand nothing less. I could not be prouder of the Marines I see serving today, at home, at sea, and across the globe. You carry forward our proud traditions with skill and ferocity. It is your discipline, initiative, and fighting spirit that anchor our Corps. The battles of the next 250 years will challenge us in new ways, but I have no doubt we will prevail. Happy birthday, Marines. Semper Fidelis. Eric M. Smith, General United States Marine Corps, Commandant of the Marine Corps. Sound attention. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the Governor of American Samoa and remain standing for a presentation and posting of colors and singing, playing of the national anthem of the United States and American Samoa. Please be seated. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and a privilege for me to introduce the Honorable Governor of American Samoa, Pulali'i Nicolau Pula. Ona ele I o maise pai ako fi o le afionga al kovana. Ia, e muli atu le whaaftaitele le fio mai o le afionga al kovana. I le tātou whaatsinga fo I o le samina o le luasalau limas fultau sanga Marine Corps. O le afionga al kovana, ia walewa na serve I tono o le interior, whapea fo I tono Washingtoni. Ia, o le nei wa avea ma tātou kovana. O le afionga al kovansili, pulu Nicolau Pula. Sorry, Pulali'i Nicolau Pula.
O te tula I atu le awa tele ma le whaaloalo. O te whaatulo atu pa ia ma le mamalu le nei maota. Whaatulo atu foi le pa ia o le malai o le talu. I le nei foi ala alfanga tātou whatasi nei fiafi. On behalf of Lieutenant Governor and High Chief Pulu Matala, I'd like to say talofa. Tonight, at the same time, I wish to welcome members of the Fono who are here tonight, especially Senator Mangalei, who's representing the Senate of the Fono. I also like to acknowledge the presence of our Congresswoman to Congress, Wifatali, who have just arrived and blessed us with her presence tonight. I know Washington, D.C. is a far place, but she's here tonight with us to honor the 250th anniversary or the birthday of the U.S. Marine Corps. I have to admit that I was standing in attention up there waiting for the cake to be brought up. But I think I'm glad to see the human side of the U.S. Marine Corps. Nobody's perfect. I also like to acknowledge the presence of all the Marines who are here tonight. We are very honored. On behalf of the 3 branches of government and the people of American Samoa, I would like to say Famalo, congratulations and happy birthday to the U.S. Marine Corps. In 1941, here in Tutuila, we began the Bare Feet Marine Corps platoon. And from there forth, many of our families, many of our folks who have traveled beyond our shores have gone to Hawaii and on to mainland. And the rest is history, not only the Marine Corps, but also all the armed services of the United States of America. It's a proud tradition. I'm glad to learn tonight that the Marine Corps began in 1775, before the Declaration of Independence of the United States of America in 1776. I've also learned tonight, listened to the remarks or the statement made by the Marine Commandant that the Marine Corps have served in many battles, in many fronts all over the world. And it's a great honor. I also learned tonight what honor, courage, and commitment is to the Marine Corps. Again, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be here tonight. I do not have a long speech, and I like that, so that we can get our food and we can continue with our party and our dance on the ball. Therefore, I want to say to everyone, again, let's say happy birthday to the United States Marine Corps, honoring their 250th anniversary. Malo, e manuia foi le tō waso whanau, e soifua.
I want to officially recognize, the governor has already recognized our honored guest tonight, but I want to officially recognize our honored guest tonight, Honorable Governor Pulali'i Nicolau Pula Manmasiofo, Honorable Lieutenant Governor Pulu Aiai Jr., Honorable Congresswoman Uifatali Au Moamata Mai, Honorable Vice President of the Senate, Mangalei, Faaftai of Yonga There are many more of you here in the Maota today. Faaftai tele le afio mai ma le sumai. Le mawatu to swafa, ya, o le malu lavaia o le ali, ma le tamali. Ia e tonu atu i nā. Ai whātai tere le awhio mai, tātou sami whātasi lua salau 5 tautanga o le malinkoa i tonu Amerika Samoa. The reading of Commandant Lejeune's message.
Do you want me to read the Commandant? Okay. Okay. This is a birthday message from our 13th Commandant, Major General John A. Lejeune. On 10 November 1775, a Corps of Marines was created by a resolution of Continental Congress. Since that date, many thousand men have borne the name Marine. In memory of them, it is fitting that we who are Marines should commemorate the birthday of our Corps by calling to mind the glories of its long and illustrious history. The record of our Corps is one which will bear comparison with that of the most famous military organizations in the world's history. During 90 of the 146 years of its existence, the Marine Corps has been in action against the nation's foes. From the Battle of Trenton to the Argonne, Marines have won foremost honors in war, and in the long eras of tranquility at home, generation after generation of Marines have grown gray in war in both hemispheres and in every corner of the 7 seas that our country and its citizens might enjoy peace and security. In every battle and skirmish since the birth of our Corps, Marines have acquitted themselves with the greatest distinction, winning new honors on each occasion until the term Marine has come to signify all that is highest in military efficiency and soldierly virtue. This high name of distinction and soldierly repute, we who are Marines today have received from those who preceded us in the Corps. With it, we also have received from them the eternal spirit which has animated our Corps from generation to generation and has been the distinguishing mark of the Marines in every age. So long as that spirit continues to flourish, Marines will be found equal to every emergency in the future as they have been in the past, and the men of our nation will regard us as worthy successors to the long line of illustrious men who have served as soldiers of the sea since the founding of the Corps. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you entered, you may have noticed this table to the left of us for our missing and fallen comrade table. This table, set for one, is small, symbolizing the frailty of one prisoner alone. It is set for one, symbolizing the fact that some are missing from our ranks. The tablecloth is white, symbolic of the purity of their intentions to respond to their country's call to arms. The black napkin represents the sorrow of captivity. The single red rose in the vase signifies the blood that many have shed to ensure the freedom of the United States of America. This rose also reminds us of the family and friends of our missing comrades who keep the faith awaiting their return. The yellow ribbon on the vase represents the yellow ribbons worn on the lapels of the thousands who demand a proper accounting of our comrades who are not among us tonight. A slice of lemon on the plate reminds us of their bitter fate. The salt sprinkled on the plate reminds us of the countless fallen tears of families as they wait. The glass is inverted because they cannot toast with us. The chair is empty because they are not here. The candle is reminiscent of the light of hope that lives in our hearts to illuminate their way home away from their captors to the open arms of a grateful nation. If I could please ask everyone to stand for taps and a moment of reflection. Please be seated. Thank you.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, the just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Mane and a recruiter, please step forward. Honorable Governor, please step forward to the cake, cutting of the cake from Monmoli. It is a tradition for the Marine Corps birthday. Cutting of the cake. The first piece of cake goes to the honored guest. The second piece of cake goes to the oldest Marine. The third piece of cake goes to the youngest Marine. You may be wondering why. It signifies passing of the realm from the oldest Marine to the youngest Marine, and continue on the legacy of the Marine Corps. First piece of cake to the honored guest. Second piece of cake goes to the oldest Marine. I think Mane is 164 now. Hoorah. And so the last piece of cake, the third piece of cake, goes to the youngest Marine. Passing of the baton from the oldest to the youngest to continue the legacy of the Marine Corps wherever we are in the world. Taitele lo fiong al Coventry.
Okay, real quick before we start with our dinner, would you like to present this small token of appreciation for the Honorable Pulali Nicolau Pula for being our honored guest and for making his time available, for the Marines and their families tonight. So if I ask the Honorable, please come up to. Let me see if I can. Let me read that. Okay, for some of you that you can't see from back there, this is a fighting K-bar knife for the Marine Corps, and it says USMC 250th anniversary. American Samoa USMC Veteran Association presents the Honorable Pulali Nicolau Pula, guest of honor for our 250th anniversary. Aura.
I would like to take this opportunity for just a short, brief moment to thank the Marine Corps for honoring the governor with this gift. It's a 250-year anniversary and birthday. I will place this up in the People's House up in Mongoli'i, and we will be displaying this during the whole time I will be there as governor, and I will leave this for future generations to see this honor of the 250th anniversary of the Marine Corps. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable, for those remarks. But who's the head? Salu, what is Salu? What happened to our program? Tonight, traditionally, we had the General Chesty Puller. And Chesty Puller is one badass Marine. That's about there's only one badass Marine, that's Chesty Puller. And for those of you who don't know who Chesty Puller is the most decorated Marine in the United States Marine Corps. He won 5 Navy Crosses. I don't know if too many people that won a Navy Cross, but Chesty Puller has 5. And he's a Marine's Marine. And tonight, we're supposed to honor Chesty Puller's wishes that all the Marines eat first before the officers and the senior staff NCOs. But I guess they didn't listen to me, and now we have the head table served first. Yeah, I'm sorry. Next birthday, we'll make sure Chesty Puller's wishes are observed, and you guys are going to eat first. Yeah, that's it. It's okay. We could go ahead and continue serving. I just want to take the opportunity tonight to wish or welcome a lot of all the Marines and their families. The head table basically is already being introduced. The Honorable Pulali Pula and his lovely wife, the First Lady, Mang Lei, Lieutenant Governor, and the Congresswoman. Also, to my left, we have the Honorable Fiu Sailua, representing the House of Representatives from the Fono. And a lot of, we got God servants on my left. And we had the Congresswoman Uifatali Amata with us. This tradition started like that was mentioned, and so as the Commander's remarks on his speech. So it started a long time ago. And for here in American Samoa, it started like the Honorable, Governor mentioned, in 1941. And that's when the 1st Battalion of Marine was formed. So that's how far that we as Samoans go back as far as the history of the Marine Corps. Yeah. Really, the funny part is, I was stationed in Iceland. I was stationed in Iceland in 1993. And the ambassador from the U.S. to Iceland, his wife, Dolores, his wife was the daughter of the battalion commander, 1st Battalion, 6th Marines, that came to Samoa and started. That's how the first deployment with the United States Marine Corps to Samoa. And it was amazing how, from this small island, to go all the way to another island way up north and way east, or wherever Iceland's at. I don't really know. I know I was there for a couple of years, but I don't know where it's at. And to run into the ambassador's wife, that his father was a lieutenant colonel, battalion commander, 1st Battalion, 6th Marines, that came here to American Samoa. That's pretty amazing. So I'm not gonna talk way back for the Marine Corps, but everybody knows the Marine Corps started November 10th, 1775, in the bar, believe it or not, in the bar. So tonight, you gotta make sure that everybody drinks something, because if you don't drink, you're not a Marine. The Marine Corps was founded in a bar, and those guys were drinking, and all of a sudden, they decided, well, we're gonna call the Continental Congress and start a battalion for Marine. So that's how we started. So everybody, tonight, make sure everybody have a great time. But before I go any further, I'd like to introduce some people. Really, we got some friends of the Marine, friends of the veterans, and some of them, they were all invited, but they're not here. So the Blue Sky Telecommunications supported the Marines doing some of their endeavors, and we want to thank you and let them know. So as the Silva Group, but more importantly are the people that are here tonight. So I got Major Fuata. He's a senior officer over at the Reserve Center, and he's from our battalion in Honolulu, Hawaii. So Major Fuata is here with us, and I really thank you for taking the time to be here. Right behind that table, I'll just go around the table in case I miss anybody. Right behind that table, I see Evelyn Pine, the one that was doing all the work up here. Okay. And then we have, I don't know, some of you, I know Honorable Fiu and Honorable Pulu, and Bangalay, remember Keppel, Henry Keppel. Yeah, I know. Henry Keppel and Dave Arcus. But just to let you guys know, those are 2 Marines. And believe it or not, the Marine Corps ordered those 2 guys to come to Samoa and help out American Samoa. So they came here. So now I got a replacement for them. I got Neil Connors here and his lovely wife. He's going to be our new satellite. The attorney already promised he's going to take care of whatever legal problems we have, he's going to take care of the Marines. So Neil Connors and his lovely wife are here tonight. So, and every year, actually about 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago, we got this phone call. And everybody says, hey, you need to talk to this folk. I say, who is it? Well, it was the management from the StarKist Corporation and Mr. Ha and his crew. And why did he call? He called. He didn't call if I need tuna or anything else. He called. He wanted to know if there's any Marines alive that fought in the Korean War. That's why they call us. And then after that, they visited. We didn't find anybody at the time, but then they want to visit a Marine that fought in Korea, and then we took the time. So I would be remiss if I don't mention the general manager from the StarKist, Mr. Ha, and his team are here tonight. Thank you very much. And maybe maybe these are the only organization don't ask for wahoo or tuna from you guys. Thank you. Okay. I already mentioned Honorable Fiu Sailua, and then the Falaginga, and they're both Air Force. They both retired from the Air Force. It's okay. There's nothing wrong being aim high. You know, the Air Force aim high, and the Marines never miss. Okay, so they're here, and they always supported our Marine Corps birthday, and not only that, because her ancestor, her father, is a Marine. So by heart, she is a Marine. Okay. Yeah. I see that actually Malia Ingafo, Kulowa Swafa Ingafo, Malia and Falaginga. But Malia, because she was here first. And, you know, she came here and we kind of started what the VFW was already started. But then when Malia came here and some of the folks, they pushed to a little bit different level. We finally pushed for the membership to go up, and we finally got the membership. And we got some folks that went to the VFW National Conference in St. Louis at 1 year. I think I went 1 year, and a couple other folks went to it before. And those are great experience to be around those veterans and VFW members, because they do a lot for us, believe it or not. You know, in Congress, they push, and I know the Congresswoman Wifa Talia knows that. The VA is always on their doorstep, you know, asking for support. So Malia started, and I know a lot of you veterans went there to see her for help as far as filing your claims and so forth and so on. And then Falaginga show up and then also help out. Okay, at the same table, I see that bald-head guy, Pava Malolonga. He's a retired U.S. Major, United States Army. That's okay. You can. That's why I told you guys, come to my Marine Corps birthday ball, because I'm going to introduce you guys and make sure everybody knows who you are. I was waited for my invitation in June for your 250. I never got one. I don't know if the Honorable got anything on that. So, but anyway, welcome. Thank you for being here tonight. I'm going to wait for you guys till later. I don't want to. But then I got the table right behind the Honorable here, and I think they're from Phang Sa. Once again, you know, I'm here, you know, whacking away, whatever it is. But I remember all these people because they always supported us. They always supported us. And they started, when I retired and came back in 2004, I moved back to Samoa in 2004 on October 12th. Never forgot the day I came back. It was a Sunday. It's a white Sunday, October 12th, 2004. And Satele and a lot of them Samoa, Kukeleapanga, and a lot of those guys, Vailuhu, Lang, they started this Marine Corps birthday tradition back in 1997 or 98, and we just continue on. So that's why, and they're here. They're always here, over 20-some years, and they're still attending, and appreciate it. So I'm trying to cover, you know, now the Marines are all looking at me like, what the hell are you talking about all those guys? What about us? We're the Marines. This is our birthday. We'll go. It's okay. We'll be the last one. We'll be the last one to try to take care of, you know. Yeah, le voyez le woman fale. Yeah, le voyez faire mai de. Enfin, pas y aller quoi. En salle vie. Moi le. Notre fait ngai ya tu ser no. Yeah, mais je fais faire tout ma là. Yeah, mal malingi dengan fayat ka kokalo, you know, Patu. Patu, you know, he's but the story about Patu, I don't know if the congresswoman know, but it was during Engi's time at Congress, and we Patu was trying to get into the Oscar Kennedy School to be an officer in the Marine Corps, but the Marine Corps was having a hard. I mean, they stood the ground because he had a tatau, because he has a tatau. and the Marine Corps will not budge. And they says, no, you cannot be an officer. But he can be a Marine enlisted, but he cannot be a Marine officer. So I know from that time on, we worked with any Falo Mavanga and tried to get him to, but the Marine Corps, never budged on that. But then I saw, about 5 years ago, I saw a Marine officer with a turban on his head. And I got so, I was furious, and I started calling people and saying, what's the difference between in uniform and not wearing a Marine cover and wear something else on the head? If that guy can be an officer, how come Patu cannot be an officer just because he's brave enough to tattoo his whole body? So anyway, that's my call. But Patu, thank you very much. So obviously he didn't become a Marine officer, but he became the servant of God, and he's doing more and better things for us than being an officer. Okay, well, what? Before, the last, I know I got, can I have all the Marines? Let me say this before I make all the Marines stand up. It's Thompson over here. Thompson and his wife, Irish. Are they here? Okay, Thompson, hey, stand up. Can you guys stand up? And then right behind you is Mitchell Rogers and his wife. Okay. Why? And you're wondering why I'm pointing out this too. Guess what? They just got here. They just got here in American Samoa. Their first function, the first mission in life, the Marine Corps is having a birthday, 250th. They said, Sergeant Major, we're not going to miss the birthday. We're going to be there. And here they are tonight. They just got here from the States. Thank you. Okay, you guys can stand up. Well, can I ask all the Marines to stand up? The Marines, can I have all the Marines stand up, please? I know, yeah. No, there's okay, we got. Okay. Are these all the Marines? Is it? Okay. No. Okay. No, just be fair. Because, okay, we Marines are here. But then I also know that a lot of people are here. Most of you, I think we're almost like 100%, I'm almost 100% sure that everybody here, they're here because they have some sort of blood or something or hair related DNA as a Marine. It's just like, Honorable Mangalay. No, his father was a Marine. I got Honorable Phil. His uncle was a Marine. You can stand up. It's okay. Kathy's okay. So all of you, they're here that your dad or your mom was a Marine. Please stand. Everybody, stay standing. If your dad a Marine, or if you're a spouse of a Marine that passed or not here, please stand. Okay. Oh, okay. Margaret, okay. Now, if you have an uncle or a son or a daughter or a niece in the Marine Corps, please stand. Okay. And then if you are a member of the Tula-Epa Marine Corps, stay seated. Stay seated. I move. But then if you're here because you know of a Marine or a friend of a Marine or any Marine Corps family, please stand. If you know anybody, friend, okay. Now, how about a big round of applause for all the Marine family that are here tonight? Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ali. I think we're about ready to go in the main course. Can we get, yeah, well, Lisa Lucky? Okay. Salud. If you have time, go ahead. We can go. We're ready for the main course. Ali, Ray, ika kameng kako, ngay pese nga siya kavai foile. Yeah. Por favor, we will proclaim hon mole.
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright.
I wanna put on my boogie shoes.
sight. Alright, just move yourself and you glide like a 747 and you lose yourself in the sky among the clouds in your heaven calls. Let this groove right up the fields. It's alright, alright, alright. Let this groove set in your shoes and stand up. Alright, alright. Let me tell you what you can do with my love. Alright, gotta let you know, girl, looking good, you're outside. Alright, just tell the DJ to play your favorite tune, then you know it's okay. What you found is happening now. Let this groove right up the fields. It's alright, alright, alright. Let this groove set in your shoes and stand up, stand up. Alright. Let this groove get you to move. It's alright, alright, alright. Yeah. Let this groove set in your shoes and stand up. Alright, alright. You find peace of mind on the floor. Take a little time. Come and see you with me. Give a little sign. I'll be there after a while if you want my love. We can boogie. It's the feeling now. Just rising now. Power is the first of all that makes it happen. It makes no questions why. Ooh, get closer, closer now. Come on, baby, now. Just let me. Clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I'm gonna ride up till now. It's the light of day that shows me how. And when the night falls, loneliness falls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I've been in love and lost my senses, spinning through the town. Sooner or later, the fever ends, and I wind up feeling down. feel it. It's electric. Ooh, it's shocking. It's electric. Think I mix a girl with that bubbling electric melody. She's a moving along like she's all got the boogie. You gotta know it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Then you can't hold it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. But you know it's there. Here, there, and everywhere. I've got to move. I'm going on a party ride. I've got to groove, groove, groove. And from this music I just can't hide. Are you coming with me? Come, let me take you on a party ride. And I'll teach you, teach you, teach you. I'll teach you the electric slide. Some say it's a mystic. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. You can't resist it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. You can't do without it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Thinking I miss somebody, she's a chicken, a feeling jolly, she's a moving along with it. She's all got the boogie. Don't wanna lose it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. But you can't use it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. But you know it's there. Heaven and everywhere. She's a bad mama down, just as fine as she can be. Hey, she's a bad mama jamma, just as fine as she can be. Her body measurements are perfect in every dimension. She's got a figure that's shown of great attention. She's poetry in motion, a beautiful sight to see. I get so excited viewing her anatomy. She's built, she's tight, got all the curves a man like. In this chair, waiting on you, oh baby, to see things my way. But not a word do you say, you'll even look my way. Yeah. Girl, I'm spending my dimes, wasting my time. Black and blue, oh can't you see? I wanna get next to you. Dreams of you and I go sailing by whenever your eyes meet mine. You're so fine, and girl, you make me feel so insecure. You're so beautiful and pure. Why must you be unkind and tell me I'm not your kind? Blowing my mind, girl, my money is low, and I know that I can't take you to the fancy places you might wanna go. Still I wanna get next to you. You're my dream come true, and I wanna get next to you, baby. I wanna get next to you. Central and the Southern Central Freight. Got to keep on pushing my mug. You know they're running late without love. Where would you be now? Who's that lady coming down the road? Who's that lady? Who's that woman walking through my door? What's the score? I'll be the sun shining on you. Hey, Cinderella, step in your shoe. I'll be your non-stop lover. Get it while you get your non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my dreams. Get in the backseat, baby. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you get into my heart. Oh, baby driver, let me take the wheel to the operator. Touch my bumper. Let's make a deal. Make it real. Like a road runner coming after you. Just like an hero out of the blue. I'll be your non-stop love. Get it while you can. Your non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of Manatu le mafutana o emagu o emanatu amaita o tu mawita ilo fatu Boma tate tala noai Momo sao se haso tato e fiavai Usue e fuli mai lo tua lo pele o tele tu na oe Tamo sao songi o lau fusi I amana tuai Usue e fuli mai lo tua le polonga tale lava Afai olea la upele ua lava lena Afai olea la upele ua lava lena Le fa'ano ua foli mai O i
Yahweh, lo ufatu ahulufiai. Lengao sa wale mafainati nilufiavai. I find why fully to my le fia wa ina vai usure e fully my lo tu ala pele hotele tu na oe tao sao songi fusi iamana tuai usue e fuli mai lo tua le polonga talelava afai olea la upele
Let me rock it, that's all I wanna do. Chaka Khan, let me rock it, Chaka Khan. Let me rock it, let me feel for you. Chaka Khan, what you tell me what you wanna do? Do you feel for me the way I feel for you? Chaka Khan, let me tell you what I wanna do. I wanna love you, wanna hug you, wanna squeeze you too. So let me take it in my arms, let me feel you with my charm, Chaka. Cause you know that I'm the one that keep you warm, Chaka. I make it more than just a physical dream. I wanna rock you, Chaka, baby, make you wanna scream. Let me rock it, rock it. Let me rock it, that's all I wanna do. Chaka Khan, let me rock it, Chaka Khan. Let me rock it, cause I feel for you, feel for you.
yourself off the ground. I said, young man, cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy, young man. There's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there. And I'm sure you will find many ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Everybody get up.
If you can't hear what I'm trying to say, if you can't read from the same page, maybe I'm going deaf, maybe I'm going blind, maybe I'm out of my mind. Okay, now he was close, tried to domesticate you, but you're an animal, baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you. You don't need no papers, that man is not your maker, and that's why I'm gonna make you good girl. I know you want it, I know you want it, I know you want it. Good girl, can't let it get past me. You're far from plastic, talk about getting plastic. Blurred lines, I know you want it, I know you want it, I know you want it. Good girl, the way you grab me must really be nasty. Go ahead, get at me. You the hottest hoes. I feel so lucky. You wanna hug me? What rhymes with hug me? Freak out. You freak, say she. Freak out. Freak out. You freak, say she. Freak out. Freak out. You freak, say she. Freak out. Freak out. You freak, say she. Freak out.
Have you heard about the new dance craze? Listen to us, I'm sure you'll be amazed. Big fun to be had by everyone. It's up to you, surely can be done.
Thank you. Mas pagpaki mo le kako DJ famon mole. Mas pagpaki. Ya, orang ai fa solo mai kako ka mafkanga. Ai la fainga lang la fowa. Walu kaimi ai se ka fa makule. Por kalama famon mole. Mai. You know, as a Marine, when you get to the first sergeant major level, there are certain things that you don't forget. And normally you have some great weeks, especially the first week of the month, and you got some mediocre weeks toward the end of the month. And the reason why the first of the month, because of the first of the month, is always the promotion. All promotions are on the very first day of the month. So it's always like Satele, they always like, they walks up there, the Gamne Gani, Gamne Ten Hut. Then they report to the first sergeant and the CO, and the next thing you hear is all personnel to be recognized and promoted. Center, huh. They're on the way. And once they stand in the front of the CO, then the first sergeant would get up and goes, to all who shall see these present greetings, know ye that we post with special trust and confidence in the fidelities and abilities of Pulu II Jr. I do appoint this Marine a Lance Corporal United States Marine Corps to rank as such from the first day of November 2025. Now, your Lord. And I do charge all personnel of lesser grade to render obedience and appropriate orders. Signed, J.J. Smith, Captain, United States Marine Corps. That's a good week. At the middle of the week, the Gamni Gani comes out, first sergeant. I wrote somebody up. What's wrong with it? Well, just like, the election, the duties, very, like tonight. And the Honorable Pul Ali just mentioned it. He waited for the cake. So tonight, we're going to take care of those guys that was in charge of the cake. And it starts like this. Good morning, First Sergeant. Morning. What are you here for? I'm here for office hours, which is normally called in the Marine Corps non-judicial punishment. Okay, and what's your name? Fiame. Fiame? Where are you from? From Manua, sir. Manua, what the heck is Manua? I never heard of Manua in the Marine Corps. Where are you from? Way over there, over there, over there, over there, over there. Okay, and who's the other one? Oh, Halipale. Halipale, where you from? Oh, from Manua. Oh, another. So here he goes. This is what the first son does. You have Fiame and Halipale. You know, you've been charged with Article 92 or 91 or 93 or whatever the article may be for dereliction of duty. Failed to perform your duty. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do say may be used against you in the court of law. If you have a lawyer, you can have a lawyer present during your office hours. If you can't afford one, we'll appoint one for you. First Sergeant, you can pay his lawyer. So, and those are the bad day of the job. Okay. But then toward the end again of the month, you got another good day. And it says, honorable discharge from the Armed Forces of the United States of America. This is to certify that Honorable Fiu Sailua be honorably discharged from the United States Marine Corps on the first day of November 2025. And this certificate certifies honest and faithful service. Signed, Eric M. Smith, Commandant of the Marine Corps, General, United States Marine Corps. Okay, that's enough. So now I'm doing what I'm really supposed to do. I know a lot of you are still eating, but we have some tokens, stuff up here that we want to do. So I'm going to start first with a start guest. Mr. Ha, is Mr. Ha here, please? Mr. Ha, please come up. Two. Yeah, okay. So, okay, you can bring all 6 of you. You're only going to get 2 cups of coffee. Okay, so you can all come up here. It's okay. It's okay. There you go, Mr. Han. Mr. Han, with all the Marines, and we would like to donate or do this token appreciation. We got these 2 cups, coffee mug, and it's for the 250-year anniversary for the Marine Corps, 1775, 2025. So we want to give it to you. Thank you. And okay. And make sure you display this on your desk. And starting next week, you let Lon know, your HR, from now on, you only hire Marines. You know why? Because if they don't listen to you, you just call me or Satele, we'll take care of it. You don't have to take care of them. Just call me or Satele, we'll take care of those Marines. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Sumele, sunga patu, sumay, iyo ang ale, kadiya oil madingi fa. Ay, malis na ipo eh. Okay, love you. Yeah. Okay, we have the Honorable Sailua and Fiu Sailua and his wife. We also have a couple coffee mugs for the Tribunal of the Fono. Yeah. I know the Marine Corps never asked for money from you guys. Don't worry about it. But you get the coffee, please put it on your desk. Ako e lakula ulunga kedo ko sili voi po la meso sore ponka. Foi de mu la ko sili voi wasanga. Okay.
the
Oh.
middle. Two more cups,
Today is our, like I said, 250. It's the history of the Marine Corps. And I cannot, I'll be remiss if I don't cover some of the Marines that we do know. I know during the Korean War, Mr. Fanene fought in the Korean War, Tuteleapanga fought in the Korean War. So many of our Samoan forefathers and fathers and uncles that fought in the Korean War. So, and like I said, mentioned earlier about the interest from but in the Vietnam War, during the Vietnam War, I know two Samoans that received Bronze Stars with Valor Combat V device. And one is Lang. He came home. He came, Vailu'u. And the story is this, and the reason why I know I can tell this story, because I got it validated. There were just happened that two Samoans were in that company. One, Vailu'u, or Lang was at, Mangaima was at the 1st platoon, was with the 1st platoon, and Ngakala from Nuuli was in the 3rd platoon. So not only that, I knew about it and read about the citation, but Ngakala, verified the story because he was there. And, it's tonight we're sitting here. It's a nice, cozy atmosphere. But can you imagine being shot in the rice field? And there's rounds all over the place. And when, I don't know about you guys, if you ever hear AK-47 round or M16 round or M60 machine gun round, hit the water next to you. Mangaima got shot. He's a point man. To make the story shorter, he was getting ready to come back. But the problem was, this mission that they were trying to do, the CO, which is the company commander, did not want Vailu'u or did not want Mangaima to leave. He wants to take that last patrol. And because he is the best point man. He was the best point man in that company, was Lang, Mangaima. So he went on that, and fortunately, that's when he got shot, he got hurt, ambush on the rice paddy, and that's when he lost his legs. But even when he got shot and he lost his leg, he was still moving and controlling the fire team and get the squad. And trust me, just on training alone, I wasn't there, but training and what we went through, it's amazing, the courage that they had to overcome and then defeat the enemy, the will of the enemy to be succeed. They always tell me that, you know what, Suyowa, the best thing to do, you don't want to die for your country. You want that son of a gun on the other side to die for your country. You know what? They're so true. Why should I die for my country? If I can kill them all, then we're okay. I don't need to die for my country. I don't have the enemy anymore. But anyway, I have Makalika here. Please come up. They did a couple. Of course, Bigger here with his family. He got, two Ango and all those guys, and then bring another one. Oh. Yeah. Hey, can I ask the First Lady to please come up? Okay, great. Okay, we also have. It's okay. Just wait. Yeah. We also have something for the First Lady tonight. First Lady, your other half. You're the better half. Your other half has already got his black plates up there. But we Marines, we decided that since Christmas is only a month away, so we got this Christmas ornament it's a Marine Corps emblem monument to put on the Christmas tree. And when you have the Army, Navy, and the Air Force to come up there, and the Space Command, if they don't bring one of those, kick them out of the Thank you. What's the shot glass? Or whatever. What else? Okay. I know. I know you don't, but this is all for the Momo Ali. You also have maybe a little bit of Blue Label. I know Larry's back there, Honorable Fangaima. He loves Blue Label. So you put some Blue Label in here. If you invite him to come up there, fill this with Blue Label, and he'll come up there. And once again, it says $7 for Dallas, United States Marine Corps 250th anniversary. You got the glass, shot glass? Yeah. Okay. But it's not going to be complete without a shot glass. So you got to have, once again, there's a shot glass to complete the. Okay. Thank you very much for being here tonight. We really appreciate your being attending and honoring us with your presence tonight. Thank you, First Lady. Okay. Go on, take the back. Okay. We have Major Fuata. No, it's all part of recruitment. It's all part of, from now on, if you accept this cup or this mug, you gotta display on your desk. You either drink coffee every day and put it on your desk. When your Army, when all your soldiers shows up, make sure they see that, and then push them on my way. Okay. Too cold. Yeah. Okay. You got a choice. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. We got some for the. Yeah, we have the. We also had the honor to have the Congresswoman with us tonight. Please, Yeah, that's okay. We present. Okay. Yeah. You also have items in here, so you can. There's 2 ornaments here for the Christmas tree. One for the Officer in American Samoa, and one for TC. And what about the mug, the coffee? Yeah. And also, thank you very much. You've always been a great supporter for our event, so thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. All right, good. Ooh. We'll get another one. Okay. So, okay, how many cups? Okay. Yeah. Kêu phải bèo câu ngoài phải pico phải mấy lần ở đây đâu sister-in-law. But Mary, Maria, so you know. Once again, those are the originator. They always started this tradition of Marine Corps birthday ball. So, Mary, please come up. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. So, yeah. On the floor. So ngole ni kofere mo le sunga fe avia se no. Okay. 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 Masih kofere nga ale director le VA yo yang langa kele yo me power by VA lo fa ya ngolo la kwa yo ke ya manolonga lo fa ya alonga. Thank you, Major. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. O manga yeah. Why? Yeah, hello. Na sunga kango ya ole na lo foi le bon la sunga ya ngadu ke avo mai lau fai lau nga tua ya mag mari pu nga fai kale ko valu por ko fa por ko valu nga ke lo le ye le no, that's a Navy. No. Okay, this next, no, just leave those alone. Only, you know, since I got, like I told you, I came back in 04. Well, since I've been here, we always have this, birthday ball. And the couple that never miss our birthday ball celebration, they're not here tonight. They're off island, But for Tualupe and Sinuu, Pati, Tualupe and Sinuu, every year they showed up. But not only that, even though Tualupe is a Navy guy, but he's a submariner. He's the closest Navy to the Marine Corps. So Tualupe, they say what? And the reason why we buy them the Navy 250-year celebration cup, coffee mug, because he not only that they provide us with insurance, but they also give us discount. For a veteran, you get, how much discount? 50% discount. So the veterans, and you got multiple vehicle discount. So we get all this discount. So I know he doesn't have the money to buy, to pay for the 2 cups of coffee from the Navy for their Navy celebration. But the Marines decided, hey, we can spend the money to buy Tualupe 2 cups for the Navy 250th anniversary. Okay, and his lovely daughter's here. And if you guys wanna, if you guys wanna have lower insurance,
You're so good.
you see her. She'll take care of you. If you have more than 2 vehicles, you get another 10% discount. If you mention my name, you'll get 1% discount. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. Yang lewa fazio maile the Honorable Fangaima Larry Centaur. Yeah, elang lewa fei la fo sola las. Right, I fight for you know when this guy is in the phone, you guys ever you don't see on TV. Oh, it's so aggressive, da. And now in the simple, now you have a chance to come up here and he go hide from me. I don't know why he's hiding from me tonight. But anyway, yeah. Okay. Well, no, we have another, for the Honorable Fangaima. Yeah, we have 2 cups of coffee for you. Oh, no, so. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Woo. Okay. May pulo nga. Did we get that? Yeah. Oi. Yeah, amakakui imaningi agi Neil. Neil, you get a hat. Just give any hat. That's for Neil. Sokoa's right behind you. Yeah, Sokoa. There's a Marine hat for you. Okay. Stevie, it's okay. We already paid for it. Don't worry about it. It's all paid for. And they're insured. How about that, huh? Okay, this is for Steve Fayai. Steve Fayai joined the Marine Corps in October 1973. That's when the old Fono building was dedicated. And we have 5 Marine Corps C-130 that brought the entire map station down here. And then they recruited like over 170 Marines and something like 1,000 Army and few Navies and a few Air Force. But that's when that's the peak of the recruiting for the Samoans to the state. It's during the 1973 dedication of the Fono building when it came down. So Steve was on that platoon with us. No. They pull over for you. Manu. Ilo pulo, bakulis pulo. Ya, ako lang mo fira. Okay. Come on. Oi. Okay, let me move. Yeah, this is for Kama, Sione, thank you very much. I know your wife's or your father-in-law was serving in Korea as a Marine, and then you also joined the Marine Corps. How about that? Thank you very much for your service. Okay. We also have John Tutele, Dr. John Tutele. We've been when I first got here. The VA was kind of, first kind of started. So, but he never turned us away. Every time we come to LBJ or DOA, Department of Health or whatever, he always take the time to take care of us. Not just the Marines, but every veteran. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we'll do this to Nina. Okay, that's for you. This is a token of appreciation. Yeah, overload. This is, I want you to come get this, but really this is for Christy, not for you. Okay, thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Yes. I don't know if, once again, we always hang out with Tauilili. Tauilili was the president of the Navy Coast Guard Association, and he was also the president of the VA Association, and I was vice president. So, I spent, numerous hours with him discussing. He had a lot of, great leadership, and he always looked forward to take care of veterans. So, Lisa, thank you very much for honoring us with your presence tonight. Thank you.
You can't see what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? Tell me what's going on. Going on.
Okay. Now, we started out with the oldest Marine. The oldest Marine is Meole, Kitsamani Meole. He was sitting over here, but of course he has to go back. The real Marine always having to go back. He wants to be sitting way in the back. But believe it or not, Kitsamani Meole is one of the few, or one of the first enlisted Marines that became platoon leaders during Vietnam. During Vietnam, everybody knows You know, they lost a lot of officers, all the commission officers, and guess what? The Stephen Show step up and then continue on. So this is for our oldest Marine, the cup, and on the coin right here, this is the golden ticket for this year's Marine Corps birthday, the 250. So it's for our oldest Marine. I'm almost done. Okay, 2 more, that's it. So I can have Haripale and, the color guard. Where are you guys? Where's the color guard at? Are you guys smoking? Come on up here. You got the recruiter, Al, and say, that's okay. We'll take Say since he's a senior man. He was a senior man of the detail. Okay. There was somebody recruiter there. There was an office hour here. He needs a haircut, so we'll office hour him tonight. Okay.
Save the class.
Okay. Yeah, this is your golden ticket for tonight. But remember, Monday next week is your office hours. You guys gonna have to see us. We're gonna. Okay. Where's Al? Al? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wait, that is for. Oh, Evelyn, come on up here. Yeah, okay, buddy. Thank you. Evelyn. I gotta say something about this young lady. I want to say something about this young lady. Last year we had a Marine Corps birthday ball. All of a sudden it's like I don't know, dragon. What they call it? Dragon? Fire comes out of their breath. Evelyn shows up. Sergeant Major, this is that, do that, do. Okay. So, to make the long story short, she showed up, took care of most of the stuff, and then, that's when, of course, that is the missing MIA and the KIA POW table. That's her pet peeve. So.
In the back. You may not have.
And then, but then she promised to come back for the Marine Corps birthday. And once again, she got here, and then without any way to be asked, a lot of initiative, they jumped in there and took care of everything. So that's a class for you and a golden ticket. Okay, thank you.
Just be thankful for what you got.
Oh, is Tiana
Though
over here?
you may not
Tiana.
try.
Come on up.
Diamond in the back.
Either you come up or you're not going to be a Marine. Starting today, I'm going to cut you loose. You're not going to Marine. Okay. Here we go. This Tiana. All right. Thank you for all you're doing for the kids, not only in Malo, but the college, and I know you worked at the governor's office. You're all over the place, representing the Marine Corps. So thank you very much. And, yes.
Brothers and sisters, you can still stand tall. Just be thankful.
Yo sé, hoy voy. Sumelo suma. And you know what? To make this quicker, can I have Jose, Rogers, and Thomason? Please come on up. And then,
Diamond in the back, sun rooftop, digging the scene with a gangster lean. Diamond in the back, sun rooftop, digging the scene with a gangster lean.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. You know, oh, those of you who didn't get anything, you can get my email. Everybody know my email? Tusi, Palaita, Manua, Ofu, Olusenga, American Samoa. You got that? That's my email. So send me an email. I will take care of you. But I know, once again, really, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you, you know, for being here tonight and to celebrate our 250th Marine Corps birthday. You know, we just, believe it or not, for the short time that we served in the Marine Corps, we witnessed some great leaders. Like I said, Chesty Puller. We witnessed some generals that we go to Korea to do the changeover. The Marine Force Pacific go to Korea to change over when if we get in the conflict in the Pacific. So we go there and we take over from the Korean Marine Corps. And we got our 3-star general be the head guy from Marfortpac. It's amazing what this guy's think. You know, there will be 4, 10 different things moving. Whether it's the water supply, medevac, bomb dropping, you know, shifting the assault force from the red beach to the green beach. I mean, there's so much stuff going on. And this guy, I mean, they just like sit there, and then all of a sudden we forgot something. You know, whatever we forget, he goes, "Oh, hey, Tony, what happened to that? What happened to that medevac called in 10 minutes ago?" I mean, here we are. We don't think that they were paying attention because they're just sitting there, either read the paper, read the data, or whatever. But they do. They're just amazing people, and we basically, you know, the opportunity for us to serve under those leaders. The last story I'm going to tell you is about JJ. JJ is John Sheehan. Sheehan was a company commander, platoon commander in Vietnam, and Tulefano served under him. Tutelepanga was also, I think Tutelepanga was the company gunny or first sergeant, and Mr. James, they served under him. And the reason why I'm bringing up JJ, he became a 4-star general, and then he became the first, when we started, it's called the USA Command. USA Command took care of the north end of Europe, Northern America, up to the USA Command. Anyway, he became the commander. And then he came to Iceland when I was there as a first sergeant. It's amazing how this Marine general shows up and everything went to chaos. The Air Force were shit all over the place because the general wanted to inspect the barracks at 3:30 in the morning. 3:30 in the morning, and they go like, "Wait a minute, the airmen are still sleeping." It says 3:30. So he showed up, inspected the barracks at 3:30. Everybody's crying. All the Marines were laughing, say yes. But the key about Sheehan, we had Tulefano, the nephew of First Sergeant Tulefano. He got in trouble, and he got in trouble because he broke the colonel's desk. He was in front of the colonel for office hours, and he got so mad he picked up the desk, you know, those oak red. He picked it up, dropped it, busted it in half. So they want to court-martial him. James and all the old Vietnam veterans, Samoan veterans, they call JJ. They call Sheehan. Sheehan, he was the head of the retirement branch of the United States Marine Corps. So they called him and they told him, General, we need you to fire the silver bullet. We need to save one of us. So the court-martial was getting ready, and the message came from the headquarters Marine Corps. To make the long story short, it goes, Staff Sergeant Tulefano, effective immediately, you are retired from the Marine Corps. So they retire him that very same day, and then, of course, the 1-star General Division sent back, oh, he's on legal hold for, you know, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. And then the message came back from General Sheehan. Is there something you didn't understand? What did you mean? I said, retire him immediately, effective right away. So, of course, Tulefano was retired, never got a court-martial. He retired as a staff sergeant, or no, as a gunny, and then up to date, he's still. So those are but the reason why I'm telling this, because those are the fruits from our senior Samoan that worked hard, and then they took care of us. And we came up, you know, and those are the fruits of their work, is to save another Samoan from getting in trouble. So that's okay. And I'm going to turn it over to Satele, and he'll do the closing remarks for us. Thank you.
Yeah, my spakpaki Pliskenge Leo Mako Sosi. Tusi is our president for United States Marine Corps Veterans Associations. Say koe kulai mai ia members kako association. Kulai mai lunga fa mole. Please stand up, all our members. Ya leo ko sisi la koe le ko kere la o fiongal kovana ma suyo kongresi. Ya o kakange leo fa o lola inga le asosia malingi. Ya nga ya lom fanga. Ya fa ftaite le mais pakpaki. Koe kasi al vaanga le I like to recognize o le ASCC o alom fana u le o lo o ile aonga. Kele la ko saonga il mako sosi. Fala fa mole tulai mai. O fala ya fa pe ingela sosi. Ya fa mole a mais pakpaki mo alo iam fana. Yeah. Okay, loa wa vela el fala la wa fionga el kovana. Okay, loa fo ya leo o mai se ui o kak fa mo moe. O Samoa ya ele ku fa po e vanga. O afia fa penge. E ai upo la ku e fa ai. O afia fio tupu matamali. O le afia fi le mu. O le afia pa ia malu. E koe ko maangaku ai le kaukua, leo la ofa ngaku. Ia leo ka komoli mawa i le so. Whafkai kele mo le launga makangofie, whala i au. Ia, e le lava upo le asosinge e whailo ai le malia kokoa. Ai mese la fio mai, makala mai a au e nge yaso. Le au a vai akfoi le sui o le kako la mua, le fio ngai a mata. Ia whapea foi sui Pliskenge o Mangalei, ia whapea le fono. Whapea makopanga United States Navy, United States Air Force, United States Army, Coast Guard. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. Ia ai meise foi a fionga I whaipule. Ia ai meise ai lava. O Samoa ia e whaamua le li. Lau whaingaluanga tofia le tua. Wa whakaue o kongi whamoe ai ul ko vai o lumanga I leo le kungu le woanga I ai. Whaafkai kele, e le maso salo ma ko ia ko whamangianga. Ia, ngai koe upunga o le so, alofa le li, ia moa la ko wha, moa le file mu, ia wā ngā luenga ma kofi o walau ingai. Ai mese lava lau a fionga al kovansili, e le whaingo fia ngā luenga. O le lava e ka po ia o whaiva. Ia whapea foi sui o ka ko konkelesi o I malo kele. Whafkai leo wa ka kala malo mais pakpaki. Salor vai aso le ia wa akoa me uma. I'd like to take this opportunity for once again, for those of you who don't speak the language, from bottom of our heart, we thank you. Thank you for being with us today to celebrate not only the Marine Corps birthday, but it's the Army, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Whaftaitele.
Ya, malos pachpati na mole, so no amato no fie, la fionga le alo son masina, ya zateli. Ale la fa umal tato, sumai lo sunga iri, akere fa mole, sumai. So this is the end of our presentation. Okay, so for a person that comes out and really, a true Marine. His heart, he came back after he served the Marine Corps. He served the federal with the post office, the federal post office, and then he came back here and bestowed titles of the family. The Lilio in Sakala, in Fangsa, and then of course Sakele at Alao. And then before that, he served in the Temco, he served at the governor's office, and then he was also a judge, an associate judge for our local judges for a period of time. And then just lately, he was a senator, from Saole, Waifanua County. So we as Marines tonight, we all decided, for a true character of a Marine Corps, the leadership that he accelerates every day and every on his life. you know, the captain of the Felofani Samoa. I won like 3 or 4. And then the only one that saved me when I disqualified Nuuli, Fankongo, and Vailoa during the Blue Sky Fautashi race. I disqualified those three teams. Everybody told me, "Oh, you're not going to make it home, Major." And I go, "Well, it's okay. I disqualified those guys. But guess who came in first? The Marine. Fangsa came in first. So Sakele, without any, we decided to give you this K-bar. There's no, it's open, so you can use it tonight. You can use it tonight. You can use it. But that's a K-bar for you, and thank you very much for your service, and thank you for taking care of the Marines. Okay. Yeah, for tomorrow, you know what? To make sure you guys understand this. Let's follow November. Let's find out Malingi. The 11th of November is the Veterans Day. Well, guess why? Everybody know why? You know why is the Veterans Day on the 11th of November? You know why? Because the Continental Congress decided if the Marines going to celebrate on the 10th and get drunk, nothing's going to get done on the 11th. So we'll give them a day off. So everybody. So instead of giving the Marines a day off, they gave every veterans a day off. So tomorrow, over at our Tafuna headquarters, where the monument is at, you know, we're going to have the service. Our program there starts at 09, right, Director? 0900. Yeah, tomorrow morning. So if you stay here till 2 o'clock in the morning, you're still okay. You can make it there at 9 in the morning. Okay, so be there, be square. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, DJ Tata mai fechina tawai ya a fai le dessert mo le fiafi faftai.
she's a brick house. She's mighty, mighty, just letting it all hang out. She's a brick house. I like Lady Stack, that's a fact. Ain't holding nothing back. Oh, she's a brick house. Well, put together, everybody knows this is how the story goes. She knows she's got everything that a woman needs to get a man. Yeah, yeah. How can she lose with the suit she used? 36, 24, 36. What a winning hand, 'cause she's a brick house. She's mighty, mighty, just letting it all hang out. And she's a brick house. Oh, like Lady Stack, that's a fact. Ain't holding nothing back. All that, all that, all that. Fire. Say so loud. Fire. Fire. The way you walk and talk really sets me off to a full-on child. Yes, it does. The way you squeeze and tease knocks me to my knees. I love smoking, baby, baby. Everybody go on and dance if you want to. The music makes your body move. Well, alright. Move the dance and get up, get down, shake the booty. Music makes your body move. Well, alright.
Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Oh, what you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on then. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. 'Cause I heard all the people saying, get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. Baby, baby. Get down on it. Get on it. Get down on it. I say people. What you gonna do? You gotta get on the groove if you want your body to move. Tell me, baby, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really won't take a chance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. 'Cause I heard.
Good loving. The girl's got plenty good loving. Ask me how I know, and I'll tell you so. You used to be my girl. I respect her when she she was mine, I used to neglect her. Oh, she wanted more than I could give. But as long as I live, she'll be my girl. She used to be my girl. She used to be my girl. She had a charming personality. The girl was so right for me. She's my girl. And if I had the chance, oh no, I'd take her back. As a matter of fact, right away, today. Not only good looking, the girl was so smart, you can't beat her cooking. Ask me how I know, and I'll tell you so. She used to be my girl. Lord, alive in the building. Out there's one dance here. You ready? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Give me one time. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Yeah. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Where the fans at? Get up by your seat. Let your body move. Cowboys and cowgirls, they feeling that groove. Sipping on moonshine, fire barrel rolling. I'ma get behind that thing, girl, and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Got my boots on the ground. Yes, sir. Lord, have mercy. Oh, oh, oh. Got my boots on the ground. Fans, please. I hope you got good knees, cause we gon' get it up. Everybody's dancing to that juke joint love. Hold on to your wig, hold on to your man, cause the steppers in that building, y'all, and it's going to fan. Come on. Whoa, oh, 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 got my boots on the ground. Yeah. Oh, 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 got my boots on the ground, baby. Wait a minute. Boots on the ground. Kicking up some dust. Boots on the ground. Kicking up some dust. Wait a minute now. Wait a fan. Wait a fan. What you think? What you feel? What you know? To be real. What you think? I think I love you. What you feel? I really need you. What you know?
supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. This beat is outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made it. So retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, strip my stuff and yes I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys jump on it. No, I can't control myself now. Let me do my 1, 2 step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2 step. I love it. 1, 2 step. Everybody 1, 2 step. We about to get it on. It don't matter to me. We can dance slow. Whichever way the beat drop, our bodies be so. So swing it over here, Mr. DJ, and we will.
Yeah, Spider-Man and Freeze, full effect. Ready, Ron? I'm ready. Yeah. I'm ready, Slick. Are you? Oh yeah. Take it down. Girl, I must warn you. I sense something strange in my mind. Yeah. Yo. Situation is serious. Let's kill it 'cause we're running out of time. Tell him, Rick. It's all so beautiful. Relationships, they seem from the start. Yeah. It's all so deadly when love is not together from the heart. Check it out.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is never trust a big button smile. That girl is
If I were you, I'd take precaution before I step to meet a fly girl. Yeah, you know, 'cause in some portion, I think she's the best thing in the world.